Okay, so let me get into this again. Your body's been adapted to have cannabinoid receptors because it says cannabis is so fucking awesome. We want to be able to have these receptors to be able to absorb cannabis. DMT, on the other hand, is so fucking powerful that your body has developed blockers. So when people say, "Oh, I smoke DMT," what they don't realize is you're only getting about 2% of what the full-on experience is because you're smoking all this shit and a little bit of it's getting past your inhibitors, but not much of it because you got the DMT trying to do this shit.
That's not the way your body works.
Exactly. Doesn't want your body does not want to fucking absorb DMT. Now, ayahuasca is a 1-2 punch because it is a brew that is made out of a shrub and a vine. And you be walking through the fucking jungle, and it looks like any other fucking shrub or vine, but motherfuckers that know what they're looking for know where this shit is and know the proper ratios to essentially pulverize this shit, and then they cook it like stock for like 2-3 days at a time. They start off with these giant fucking stock pots full of this shit, and they beat it down in there, fucking add water and beat it down in there until it's this fucking syrupy concentration, and it smells like burnt molasses. And it tastes like there are certain things your body just automatically knows by the smell of it. This is fucked up. Do not put this in me. And it tastes like serious. Like even if I don't like something, I can okay, I don't like this, but you know I'll eat it. This is so revolting that like your body automatically wants to eat it. It literally tastes like shit water. Like, imagine a gas station bathroom that hadn't been flushed in a fucking week.
This is a new age hillbilly answer to fucking hog balls.
No, this shit, the shamans down in South America have been doing this stuff for medicine men, vision seekers, you know, people that talk to fucking gods, because when you do this shit, you go to a whole different place.
Alright, just one question. Was Sam backwards, was he
Was who?
Sam backwards, was he a shaman because he talked to the gods?
I'm not sure who the fuck you're talking about, honestly.
He's, they had a couple names out. The 44 Magnum killer. He's the one that killed people.
No, I don't think that he was on ayahuasca. Because ayahuasca, I mean, it's been around
no,
for...
I don't think he was pulling ayahuasca. I think he was pulling his dog. But I think that what I mean is that he was doing something that made him think that he was being inspired by a being through an inanimate object, or maybe dogs are not inanimate objects, but some people are. So hey, fuck it, maybe some dogs.